Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? This is the Islamia session of grade 2. Today we are going to start the new lesson, that is I Love Salah Unit 4. Muazzin was calling for Salah of Isha. Father was ready to go to masjid with Danish. Danish liked to go out for masjid to perform 5 times Salah with his father. He would talk to his father on the way. Who is Muazzin? A person who calls for prayers. Okay, a person who calls for prayers is called Muazzin. Okay, and he calls for Salah of Isha, and father was ready to go to masjid with whom? With Danish, and Danish liked to go to masjid 5 times a day. Why he liked to go? He liked to perform he liked to go to masjid to perform 5 times Salah with his father. Okay, on the way on the way to masjid, he asked with his father that why Danish, why does the muazzin call azan? Why the muazzin call azan? Okay, azan is a call for prayer. Why he call? So father said, my son, this is a way to call all Muslims to salah in masjid 5 times a day. So his father explains him that this is a way to call all the Muslims 5 times a day for calls Muslim for Salah in Masjid. Okay, you just heard the word Hayya al Salah, which means come to Salah. Then he told him that you hear the word Hayya al Salah, it's mean that come to Salah. Okay, in Urdu it's called आओ नमाज की तरह. Hayya al Salah अजान के अल्फाज हैं. Okay, these are the sentences of azan, and it's mean that आओ नमाज की तरह, come to Salah. Okay, can we offer Salah at home? Now Danish asked to his father that can we offer Salah at home? Father said, Masjid is a house of Allah. Okay, Allah likes us to perform Salah with Jamaat in Masjid. What Allah likes? Basically Allah likes that the Muslims perform Namaz with Jamaat in Masjid. It brings us great reward, and it gives us great reward. Reward means sawab. Okay, so Masjid is a house of Allah. Do you know? Do you know Rasulullah Sallallahu said, "Salah is the coolness of my eyes." This is a hadith that Rasulullah Sallallahu said that Salah means namaz, is the coolness of my eyes. Okay. Danish, should children also offer Salah? Father, yes, my son. Our beloved Prophet Sallallahu said, command your children to offer Salah when they reach the age of 7 years. Okay, so what Danish asked to his father, he asked that should children also offer Salah? So his father said, yes, my son, yes. Our beloved Prophet Sallallahu said that we should command our children to offer Salah when they reach the age of 7, or when they are 7 years old. Okay, now Danish said, I have reached the age of 7 years. I will not miss any Salah. Inshallah, I love Salah. So what he said that I'm going to be 7 years old, and inshallah I will not miss any Salah, inshallah, and he love Salah. Okay, here we have our word box: Salah, namaz, prayer, masjid, mosque, jamaat, congregation, azan, call for prayer, and muazzin, one who calls for prayer. Okay, here we have a chart of rakat of salah. Okay, now fajr, zohar, asr, maghrib, isha. Okay, sunnat ghair muqaddada, sunnat muqaddada, fajr, sunnat muqaddada after fajr, nafil, and total number. Okay, ghair muqaddada, that is not necessary, and but when we have muqaddada, we have to perform. And first is compulsory. First is compulsory, that we have to perform this much rakat. Okay, and sunnat muqaddada after first. Okay, and nafil after sunnat, or after witr, or after first, whatever. So in fajr we have only 2 sunnat muqaddada and 2 first is become 4. In Zohar we have 4 sunnat muqaddada, 4 first, 2 sunnat, 2 nafil, and we have 12, number of 12. Asr 4 ghair muqaddada, first 4, it's make 8. Maghrib we have 3 first, 2 sunnat muqaddada after first, and 2 nafil. Okay. Isha, we have 4 ghair muqaddada, 4 farz, 2 sunnat. Okay, after farz, 3 witr, 2 witr, 2 nafil before witr. Okay, if we perform 4 sunnat ghair muqaddada, so we have to do like this: 4 ghair muqaddada, 4 sunnat, 4 nafil, no sorry, 4 farz, 2 sunnah, 2 nafil, 3 witr, 3 witr, and then 2 nafil. Okay, after witr, so it makes 17. Okay. Okay, here is a chart that you are going to keep record of your prayers. Okay, so you are going to take a pocket sized diary and write the names of 5 prayers, days and 5 prayers. So you are going to make a schedule of your not your schedule, make a record of your namaz. Okay, that on Monday if you perform fajr, zohar, asr, maghrib, isha, so you are going to put tick them. On Tuesday if you perform fajr salah, you are going to put tick here. If you are not going to put a cross here. So you know that how many times you are going to pray in a day or in a week or in a month, so it's a record. Okay. Exercise corner. Choose the correct options to fill the gaps. You are going to choose the correct option and fill in the blank. Muazzin was calling for the salah of dash. Fajr, Zohar, Isha. Danish dashed to go out for masjid to perform 5 times salah. Did not like light or stop. Light. Dash is the house of Allah. School, playground, masjid. Masjid is the house of Allah. Children should begin to offer salah at the age of dash. At what age children should begin to offer salah? 12, 7, 10. It's 7. Okay. Trace out the line and color in the word. You are going to trace it and color it. Okay. Do it later. Here. Think and say. Will Allah Almighty be happy with those who do not offer salah? Will Allah Almighty happy? No, Allah Almighty will not be happy with those who do not offer salah. Complete the chart of rakat of salah. You are going to complete this chart with the help of this one. Okay? Help of this one, you are going to complete this chart of namaz. Okay? Rakat of salah. You are going to complete it. Okay? Then we have a question answer. We are going to do question answer in our notebook, inshallah, in the next class. Okay, for today till here, completed this chart and this trace the outline and color the words. Okay, now see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.